Hey guys, I'm in the middle of cleaning my home and I figured I would take a quick break to show you how I use my favorite IKEA cart to keep all of my cleaning supplies neat and organized. And this truly makes my cleaning go faster because I bring this into every room wherever I go, except the kitchen. I keep those supplies separate, but I bring this with me in every room and I have it all here, and I am telling you, I'm not kidding, my cleaning does go faster. So when I saw this a few years ago in IKEA, this cart, I loved it. I loved the quality and I bought it, took it home, and still wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. Anyway, I turned it into a cleaning cart, and I just think it's great that I can roll it into every room that I need and I have everything with me. Anyway, let's look into what I have on each shelf. I have all of these liquid cleaners. So my favorite thing to use is the Dr. Bronner's in a spray bottle mixed with water. So just very little of this and the rest water. And I really do clean a lot of my house with most of that. Then I am going to finish out with this Bona. I think you pronounce it Bona for the hardwood floors, but eventually when this runs out, I will continue using this because I'm really trying to remove most, if not all, of the chemicals in my house. But I do use ammonia for my windows and mirrors, and then just a few other things up here. Even my liquid hand soap, because I roll to wherever I need it to fill up the liquid hand soap. But this I do not use in the kitchen. My kitchen is separate. Then on the second shelf, and actually before I get to that, I did hang these S hooks here, if you can see right here. I hung them right here, and I hang these microfiber dusters here, and even my fly swatters. I'm telling you, I don't know why, but I had to have my fly swatters here because every time there's a fly in my house, I can never find the fly swatter. So now I know they're here. But of course, you can hang these as many as you want and hang whatever you need, like for your needs. And then this right here are a lot of cut up t-shirts and bed sheets and anything like that, because I really like to try to be as green as possible. So instead of using paper towels, it's more efficient for me and even money saving to just wipe down with this and then put it in the washing machine with the little Clorox, disinfect it, and back up here. And again, yes, I don't use any of this in the kitchen. That's separate. And then on the last shelf here, I have all of my microfiber wipes and the dry mop, and this is for the Bona cleaner mop, and all the microfibers here for my entire house. So anyway, this is how I use it, and I absolutely love it. And let me tell you something about these wheels. They roll so well. I am not kidding. They don't scratch this bamboo floor, and this floor scratches with anything. I mean, like, it's so beautiful, but you just have to be careful with it. And these wheels are really, really safe, and I'm telling you, they roll like a Benz. I am not kidding. I purchased another cart or a few other carts for my classroom from Amazon, and the quality doesn't even compare to this one right here. I use this awesome IKEA cart to help me stay organized when cleaning and be efficient. So if you really love IKEA as much as I do, why don't you also check out this other video of mine where I show you how I organize my craft and sewing studio with other IKEA pieces. All right, check that out, and thank you for watching.